Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Frame Codes. You probably know me as Frame Keys if you're subscribed to my main channel. But anyways, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a very simple teleport pad, okay, using Roblox Studio. And you already know the point of my videos. It's just to get right into it. None of that nonsense that all these other creators do is this. I'm just gonna give you the code, you guys, so you guys can keep creating. All right, so as I said, I'll give you the code, probably a simple explanation, and then some. I guess I have to do this. I'll put some like instructions on where to put everything. Okay. So simply put, like when we make this teleport pad, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be having this teleport pad that when players do step on it, for example. Let's call it pad A, for example. When they step on pad A, they're going to instantly teleport to, let's say, pad B, which is like somewhere over there, okay? It's very beginner friendly, guys. I would not worry. It's super beginner friendly, to use a word. There's no like GUI needed, okay? So I'm taking that out. There's no tools you need. There's no whatever it's called, the leaderboard stats thing. There's no tool, like there's nothing you guys need for that, okay? So we'll just jump right into it. Okay, so first step is we're gonna have to create the teleport pad. So open your studio, go to your new thing. What we want to do is we're gonna create two parts. Now look, honestly, I just jumped right into this. I didn't even look, but Roblox seems to have done an update. Guys, I've been so I need to get back in the game, you guys, of coding. Okay, so look, here is our first pad. Okay, so we're gonna make this one, then I think you can duplicate it. Yeah, perfect. So look, here are two pads. So let's make this one a different color. That's gonna be green. This one, you guys can make it whatever color. I literally chose the same color. You guys can make whatever color you want. You guys can even make these invisible, transparency if you do like all the way. But that's for a separate time. But anyways, these are what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so in your workspace, make sure you have two parts. We're gonna name this one. How do you rename this? I have not done this in so long, it feels like. We're gonna rename this, I don't know, what should we call it? Teleport, we'll call this one the teleport pad, okay? So the pink one's gonna be the teleport pad, and then this one is gonna be called, yeah, where we wanna go, so our destination. Did I even spell that right? Okay. All right, destination. I think I spelled that right. So the green one is our destination. You can make this whatever color. I mean, you know what? I'm just gonna make this like a bright blue color, and then we'll make this one just a little easier. So we'll make that bright green, okay? So for both of them, what you need to do is you need to set your anchored as true. So let's go to anchored. And what we want to do is we want to set can collide as true. That's just for what I'm doing. You guys do not have to do can collide, but what you should do is make anchored true, okay? So if you go here, make sure anchored is true, okay? Because look, if you want your players to not like move it, okay? You want them to step on it and teleport, period, okay? So what we have is our blue, our nice one, and our green, our nice one. So if you want to, yeah, let's make it like this. Perfect. We're gonna make this so easy to understand. Okay? So there we go. Now, that's not all, you guys. So we have to go to our teleport pad, and what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making a script, okay? Yeah. So, and just an FYI, guys, like, just an FYI, I'm trying to help you guys. I honestly have not had the time to do all like the understanding the thing. I've been literally watching YouTube videos on how to code. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. Okay, so let me code this. So local pad, we're gonna have that. Okay, so here we go. We have our script basically, and guys, like this is gonna be literally look at this code, okay, and just write it down because I did this for you guys. We gotta play this bad boy. Okay, so what we're gonna do, boys, we're gonna walk onto the blue pad. Boom! There you guys go. You guys are the best. Make sure to subscribe, and if you guys have not subscribed yet, by the way, when you touch this, you're not gonna go back, okay? So, basically, long story short, is you have a pad, you wanna step on it, boom, you're gonna get teleported. Now, I'm not that sophisticated, I don't know how to put in, well, I'm learning how to. I don't know how to put in like, so far, like an effect, you know, to teleport, but this is just my basic coding knowledge. That's where I've been, guys. I've been trying to find some creative ideas that can be used in your game. So make sure you guys, I want you guys to do well when you guys make your game. So make sure you guys keep this code. I don't know, take a screenshot of it. It's literally, this is all you need, okay? So not that difficult, very basic, guys. That's basics my name. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys really want an explanation, I can give it to you really quickly, but I don't know if you need it. Anyways, so look, the local pad is what we want to do is we want to get the teleport pad from this. And then for the destination, we want to find where the player is going to teleport to. And as you guys know, I named the second part destination, okay? Okay, and so then for when it's actually going to touch it, so when the player touches, or when something, for example, touches the pad, that's when it actually understands that it's going to need to teleport. For the local, well, I don't know if I should do character. Local humanoid character, just make sure it's a player, okay? Not a random object. That's why when you do something so broad as something, you want to make sure it's a player. And then finally for the root part.c frame, which is ironically frame keys, frame codes. Anyways, it's going to move the player just slightly above the destination so they don't get stuck. Because think about it. If they get stuck and they can't move, then it's of no use, right? It's going to look really bad. It's going to look really bad on your coding end. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. Please do subscribe to my main channel. Right now I'm at, I think, 182 subscribers. Come on, guys. Just gotta help me out here, boys. All right. I appreciate everybody who's watching this. Leave a like. Comment what you guys think I should do next. I have a whole lineup for these next few weeks. I'm gonna be recording as much as I can. Yeah. Appreciate it, you guys. All right. Frame keys. I'm out of here.